Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Asana desktop app in 2025. If you want to boost your productivity or just love having your project management tools easily accessible on your computer, the Asana desktop app is a game changer. Stick around and I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's super easy. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you usually use. Next, head over to the official Asana website. You can type Asana in your search engine and click on the official link. This ensures you're getting the latest version directly from the developers. Once you're on the Asana homepage, look for the download options. You'll see links for Windows, Mac, iPhone, or iPad. Make sure you click the version that matches your operating system. Choosing the right version is key for a smooth installation. After selecting your version, click Download Now. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments. Keep an eye on your browser's downloads bar or your downloads folder to know when it's finished. When the download is complete, open the file and follow the on-screen installation instructions. You'll go through a simple setup process, pick your preferences, and soon enough, you'll be ready to launch the Asana desktop app. If you prefer, Asana also offers a Chrome extension. Just open your Chrome apps, go to the Chrome Web Store, and search for Asana extension. Click Add to Chrome, and once installed, pin it to your toolbar for quick access. For even faster access, you can create a desktop shortcut for the Asana app. This way, you can open it directly from your desktop and jump straight into managing your tasks and projects without any delays. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and set up the Asana desktop app. Having it right on your computer will help you stay organized, manage your tasks efficiently, and make your workflow much smoother. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update.